My name's Steve Lundahl. I live in New Hampshire, the Concord, New Hampshire area. Well, this is my first real foray into real estate. I was just in the process of purchasing some properties with cash, but the cash wasn't going to last forever, and I wanted to be able to acquire more property at less risk to myself, and I had done a couple no money down deals over 20 years ago, and this sounded really great. And I've been wanting to do more of that, get back into that, and this looked like an excellent opportunity to do that. I had bought three properties cash, one of which was a major required a major rehab, which is just finishing this week, and I just sold it. First person who looked at it, and now I'm doing a reboot to be able to spend much more time doing the what I call the Crumpian way. Well, this rehab, it was a foreclosure, and the bank wanted $109,000. I looked at it. It was a duplex built in 1900, and I looked at how much work. It had great bones, but it needed a lot. It needed new roof, new heating system, new everything. So I offered him 70, and it took them a month. I was just about to back out, and when I was telling the realtor I was going to back out, they came back and went, "Oh, we're going to accept your offer," and they did. It cost a lot more than I thought it was going to cost to rehab it, but I got a full price offer, and I'm going to make money on it, so that's good. I can't do it full time. I have a full time job, and so my goal is to be doing it between 15 and 20 hours a week. I think 15 is probably the more realistic. I have two other careers, a full-time job and a music career. So, right now I've got after this I've got more time. So it's basically after working on weekends. The rewards for the benefit, the potential rewards, are very good. And for me, it is a way to ensure basically retirement, income during retirement, and hopefully a legacy to leave my children. The effect that this could have once I'm successful, and I believe that that's going to happen, is that I will be able to eventually leave my job, and then and have more time to do this, and more time to just enjoy my family. My grandkids all live a long distance away and up in very different directions, and I would like to be able to spend more time with them. But this is something that I can do on the road, so I can do this anywhere. I haven't gotten other people fully involved. I do have my kids and a friend of mine involved a little bit, but I'm still the one that's doing all the calls. Once I'm getting better at my conversations with people and start having some success, then I will bring them in more. But I'm looking in different areas, and each one of them, each of these, each of my kids and my friend all live in different areas. So I have different people who can do boots on the ground kinds of things in different areas, and that's sort of what their roles are going to be once I land something in their area. Personal goal is, number one, get good at this, get good at conversations, and I am looking for long-term. Well, I would like to acquire a minimum of 4 additional properties this year, and build on that for next year. But basically, this year's goal is a minimum of 4 using the Crumpian method, and then and hopefully more than that the following year. But that is my short-term goal. Long-term goal is to build a portfolio of buy and hold properties under property management that I don't have to worry about, that will provide a steady income over a long period of time. This is a really great way to do it. I really think that I really like Joe. I really like his ethics. Though I've listened to a lot of others, and some people are really slick, and I don't really. It's not me. This is the way that appeals to me, with a mentor that has the same kinds of outlook on life and the people that we're dealing with that I do. So that's. So I think that for people who want a really ethical way of helping people, and helping themselves at the same time, this is a great way to do it.